The barn owl is a medium-sized nocturnal owl known for its distinctive heart-shaped face, silent flight, and exceptional hearing. Its facial discs funnel sound to its ears, allowing it to locate prey like rodents in complete darkness. They are highly widespread, found on every continent except Antarctica, and have long legs adapted for catching prey in grass. Approximately 1 foot tall with a wingspan of about 3 feet. Females are typically slightly larger and heavier than males. Long legs are adapted for diving into tall grass to capture prey.